All right, Chuck. Baba. Now you want me produce. Oh, sorry. Sumoto. Oh, ma fún ilo, ma fún ilo le wa. Hello. 1,000. So, I want you know what. All right, if you watch me live, on Straight Chance on Wazobia TV, my name is MC Shaggy. Straight Chance, still on the matter. I tell you, my name is MC Shaggy, one of the Wazobia finest. Still on the matter, Straight Chance. The topic I throw today now, very simple topic. I deal with one of these man. Oh, but I wait till they see for road with that too. That's why I say make I enter street. I enjoy the streets. They are father. Oh, but still on the matter, the question, the topic I want to today be say yes. Most of us, they sabi keep so many things. Most of us, they sabi keep rapper. Most of us, they sabi keep properties, a lot of properties. I believe say most of us sabi keep and too. So, what to be the old thing when they your house? What to be the old thing when they your house? Some people, they sabi keep pots. They go use pots, saute, the pot go bend. You see the manager, every whole day, they go patch the pot. So, make we know the whole thing when you see they keep for your house, up to date. For this year when we did so. It's all on the matter, Straight Chance of Wazobia TV. My name remains MC Shaggy, your commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Back at that. Why I say all over. What? My guy, how far now? How you doing? What will be your name?
Surely Best.
Surely Best.
Yeah.
Surely Best.
Yeah.
All right. I should now. What will be the O2 in the house?
O2 within my house, plenty now.
Which kind of O2? You get those old TV.
Because of the, I don't know what they go on for this country now. Person go get out now.
So what will be the O2 in the house?
Well, I still get old TV, old fridge, old AC, something like that, sha.
Which kind? I'm saying they use all those AC and be like say get window unit, abi?
Yeah.
I see the use.
Yeah. I see the use.
Like your TV now, which kind TV? That orange back.
Nah.
All right. Still on the matter, Straight Chance of Wazobia TV. All right, back to there. Why I say? Okay, I know they threaten me. I know they like all this kind of thing. I know they threaten. They have been 3.5 for her. Still on the matter, babe. How far are you there now? Wazobia TV. How far? How you there? Talk cool. You not be there fandom. Talk cool. You not be there fandom. Talk. I go squeeze you. How can I squeeze you? All right, still on the matter. Talk now. Just where you go. What will be the old things when they your house? Where you still they use?
Nothing.
You sure? Everything they ask new.
Yes, it's new.
You sure your share new?
Yes, it's new.
Not be that olden day share now they use.
No.
What of TV?
No.
You see they use old TV. What of fridge?
No.
When they use key they love.
They are new.
They are new. Who tell you why they lie to yourself? See to show say old things still there. See your boss old. Now old boss they use. All right, so the matter, Straight Chance of Wazobia TV. Finance #1. Forget not be suit to wear. Why the shame? Yes, you the shame. They package yourself. My brother, what be the old thing when they use for us? The old thing when you don't old and you still live and you still keep them.
Old thing. I'm still thinking.
Think well. You put your eyeglass good. No worry.
Yeah, my eyeglass. I
Your
have an
eyeglass
old
now. Olden days eyeglass.
Still
Even your suit self now.
olden days.
All right, so let the matter, Straight Chance of Wazobia TV. All right, back there. Why I say? Alpha. Well, how you doing now?
I do.
Wazobia TV Finance, you know that kind of thing. The Lord will be say yes, eh? You still stay your house, abi?
See?
You still stay with your parents, abi?
Yes.
As you do now, what will be the old thing when they inside our house? The thing when don't old well, like old TV, old fridge, and all that, old share.
Nah, the pot wey dey use cook.
The pot na take dey cook. Na be the old one. The pot don squeeze.
E don squeeze like.
Na I tell you, na all those pots wey dey get food for back.
No, na all those pots wey dey
Get handle, but na silver.
Yeah, silver.
All those old silver ones.
Yes.
Then they scratch on it. And then Oga for all of you.
No.
What be the old things when they your house?
nothing.
You not get old
I
property.
no get. I no
This your glass na old property now.
No, na new one.
Even this your shirt
Nah,
sef
nah,
na olden days na they wear am.
Na new one.
Now which one say na new one? This one no new. See your shoe. You don't know this kind of shoe. Wait, this shoe, this palm wey be say that they use in those days. Why they talk say?
Na compound. This one na compound. Na
Nobody need
compound.
that thing. How far on a day? How far on a day? Mama, good afternoon.
Afternoon o.
Wazobia TV na be this.
Okay.
Pekede.
Hey.
Say pekede.
Bekede.
Pekede.
Bekede.
Pekede.
Bekede.
Mama, wetin be the old thing? Old property wey dey your house wey you still dey use?
We like how?
Lush, you get one old property wey dey your house wey you still dey use?
Shall
You get old pot for house?
Yes, I
That
get.
holding this pot.
Yes, I
You
get.
still get all those old pots wey you still dey do?
That
You get black and white television?
yes,
You still get black and white?
I get.
Come go
You
show
wan
me
use
house,
am?
I wan go buy am, I wan sell am.
How much you wan buy?
I wan buy new one for you.
Eh. So if you give am now.
If you show me now, you see am say I go buy new one for you.
Now.
I go buy am for you now.
Yeah. Oh, I no get.
You no get TV. Nah, talk. Una still dey use old TV.
How we no dey use
Which old one dey una house? Which old property dey una house?
Na fridge o. I see say the fridge senior me well well. I see
The priest senior you. Na your man be this. Eh?
no my man.
Na your man le. So old fridge still dey una house.
I see
All
them.
those fridge wey dem dey use key dey lock.
You get am.
Dem dey lock am.
Dem dey use
So that
padlock,
because dem dey
padlock.
thief meat well for the pot.
Bros, you be like say you know am o. You get am.
All right, still on the matter straight chance. I tell you, most of these things we need to just, babe, have fun. How you doing?
I'm fine.
You're too serious.
Thank you.
Come, not be so. Relax. Too serious. Afa, what to be your name?
Adenike.
Adenike. What is the meaning of Adenike?
Should I put it like wealth that has crown on it?
Eh?
Wealth that has crown.
The house crown?
Yes.
No, you don't
That is
know the meaning.
Adenike. Oh, yeah, tell me the meaning.
Adenike, me say, eh? But that is, eh?
Eh,
That is Ade,
eh,
cap.
eh.
When he did carry, that is a king that is carrying.
Okay, oh, thank you so much.
If you say wet that is carrying, that one is okay.
Okay, sir.
Adenike.
Okay,
Or
sir.
you say, as we come. You hear me so?
I dey hear
Or
you.
as we come. Depends on the side of Yoruba way to the answer and so.
I dey hear
Adenike, we come, we meet care. Somebody who meets, who you meet, and he
Care.
take care of you. Adenike.
Okay, oh.
Nike means say you have love for somebody.
Okay,
You have care for somebody.
Okay, thank you
All
so
right,
much.
what be the old thing when they in the house when they use for?
Old thing.
Yeah.
Azao.
You get some old property when they in the house.
We get black and white television. That combo do.
You still get them?
We still get
Up
am.
till now?
Yes.
But where your house dey?
My house dey far.
Your house dey far?
Yes.
You know, your house need to dey far for you to get that kind of TV.
E
for
dey
house.
far. Put am
Your
under
house
bed.
Your house suppose dey for Sangota.
You know dey for Sangota na for Bariga.
Na Bariga. Bariga na your house dey. No, na you suppose dey far. How you go get that kind of black and white TV?
No, my papa keep am.
Your papa keep
Eh,
am.
so
Your
that
father
one-
wicked
he no
person.
be wicked man.
Your papa wicked.
You know weekend so that my grandchildren go see am.
Your grandchildren.
Go see am say
You know where they
that
from?
whole time we dey use combo television.
Another, which church you dey go?
I no be Christian, I be Muslim.
You be Muslim. Salam alaikum. Wetin
Wa
dem
alaikum
call?
salam.
Wetin dem call Satan for Muslim?
Shaitan.
Shaitan.
Eh.
Shaitan. Abeg go tell the shaitan make he collect this. All right, still on the matter street. Wazobia TV #1 finance. I tell you, still on the street. Okay, how far are you doing?
I'm fine.
I know say as you stand, you want more interview you.
No.
Yeah, you be correct guy, I believe you.
I
What you
will
mean?
see you on TV every day.
You supposed to see me for TV every day. That's what they do. But today I don't come meet you now.
That's good. That's
All right. See as you dey now, wait till be the old thing when they house. But I know say one old thing dey your body. I no need to touch am.
Old
But,
things.
the old thing when they house, property when they house.
I don't know.
You don't know. You not get any old property for us.
No.
You get TV.
Then I get TV. I get plasma.
Plasma. What of fridge?
Everything. There's
Na new one.
A new one.
What of your share?
Share. Na new one.
You sure?
Yeah, everything
Not
na
that
new
old
one.
in the share you
Yeah,
dey
na new one. Everything na new
use. I
one.
want cash in. So you not get any old thing.
I don't get old
This
things.
your eyeglass na old one.
I lost by yesterday.
Na fashion.
Na
old
new.
fashion.
Na new one.
Old fashion. All right, still on the matter straight on. Kí la ń ṣe? À ń ṣeré ni. Madam, good afternoon. How far are you doing? How you doing now? Na Wazobia TV be this.
Okay.
Okay. Madam, wetin be the old thing wey you get for your house? Old property.
Old property.
Yeah.
Clothes.
Which cloth? You get old cloth?
Hey, now the cloth I was wearing when I have not got
Old
married.
wetin?
Pants.
Old pants. Okay, those old clothes you dey wear.
Yes, I
Your
did wear
mama
before
not
I
dash
got
you?
married.
Eh.
I still have it.
What of like TV and shares and all that?
No, I don't have old TV now. Yes.
But I not what of pot?
Pot.
Not get old pot.
I get old pot.
But you not get stove. What those stove when they green?
I don't throw away all of
You
them.
don't throw away all of them?
Stove need the rain now.
Goes not waiting the rain now.
Na gas. Na gas.
Na gas the rain.
Na gas the rain now.
Eh.
So I don't throw away all of them.
You don't throw all of them?
Yes.
You be wicked person. Why you not dash person?
No, that's waiting.
Yeah.
No, instead I'll buy new one and give to the person.
I beg, you get one woman for there. They find new TV. If you go buy for her.
I will buy.
Okay.
By
wait
God grace.
Wait till you go buy now.
Eh?
Wait till you go
No,
buy.
I just coming out from bank.
From bank. Hey! You are covered by blood of Jesus. All right, so let the matter straight chance on Wazobia TV once again. I know so this man don't dey assist the wait for make answer. I know I carry this camera facer because of the papa's cap when we are gonna old cap be this. Now old cap. Alpha, Oga, what be the old thing? What be your name?
I'm Mr. Onyeka.
I speak Pidgin, not be English.
My name na Mr. Onyeka Jesse Jonathan.
Igbo man, their things always a day different. Igbo man, their things always a day different. I ask only his name. He introduce his name, then introduce his company name join too. You can see that he's a businessman. All right, as you dey now, Oga, what be the old property when you dey for your house?
You have pots?
You still get old pot for your house?
E dey na. They no dey throw am. You know say e get one adage wey talk say person wey first person dey begin dey cook pot, dey cook. E dey pass and get old things.
Yeah.
Na so e
So you
be.
can't dey follow that adage.
Of course, na if you no get old thing, wetin you go get? Wetin be say you go tell people say
Let me say as
people wey
As you
dey
dey-
come, just as we dey here now, you go tell people say e get the time wey tree dey here, you go show them the tree, the remain of that
you
tree.
get some people when see they keep this old motor sef, this Volvo. You know
Of
that
course, na,
Volvo?
na.
That 504, that old 504. Some people still dey keep am.
na. You
But I
go
no dey
there
see
for
to see am for road
you
again.
go there for Akab. You get some places where you go go. If you wan see any, make we book appointment. I go come show you. You go surprise say you go see some old profile. Even for Okafor here, you go see am.
Like
Na so.
even this pickup, you know pickup.
E dey,
That olden days
e
pickup.
dey. Peugeot today,
Peugeot
Wagon today, even
Which
Beetle
one you
e
get?
dey. Me,
You know, which one you don't drive before?
old one.
Yeah.
The time wey I drive, na Jeep wey I drive, na be my first car.
Okay.
That one I don sell am. That one don go. So
Na
the
old
one,
Jeep, abi?
no be old Jeep. The time wey I buy am,
Modern
I buy am new.
Okay.
You understand? So the one wey I come get now na car.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
But you get old shirt.
E
Old pint.
dey. All those kind things dey. Now you know say e get the kind thing wey you go get. Wey be say to throw am no go gree you. Wetin you go do be say you go turn am to rag. Na
You
so
turn
e
am to
be.
rag.
Yes.
So you turn the old ones to rag. Why you not turn your cap to rag?
This cap never own. I just buy am.
Now papa's cap it is now old style.
That
It is now.
of course now am I a small boy? I am no longer a children.
How old are you? Are
I
you
no be children.
You are a children.
I am not a
You
children.
are a children.
As you see me so look me well. If I comot my hair, my cap like you go see grand hair.
Okay, Oga, from the look of your hair.
I no be children o.
Okay, how old are you?
Me? I'm in my mid-50s.
Mid 50.
Yes.
You never old now.
You never old?
You never old. Not the kind
The
of
time,
stuff you know.
wait, make I tell you, as I be so, if I comot one hair from yonder, take am do knack you for face like this, you know wetin go? You go welenge.
As you dey carry am come and dey blow am.
Where that your bridge no get power. My fire no get power pass you. You get power pass your own. You get power pass your own.
All right, still on the matter
It's
straight
not
answer was
talking with you.
All right, my name is MC Shaggy. Thank you very much once again. And now like this, I'm going to wrap up this show. Okay, you dey wait for me, Abi. All right. How far are you there now?
I dey cool.
I don't need to ask you which of the old things when you keep. But if I ask, from your bar head, I know say yes now. Bar head now hold something.
Don't look at the bar head.
Okay, what be the old property when in your hand? I know say this shirt is not old, you don't take.
Number one, now you don't see am. You no need to ask me again.
And
The patawa we are self.
the shoe self now
Na
old shoe.
old one. You see am now?
Even this girl self now
Shey
old
you dey
girl.
see am?
This girl
Yeah,
self
you
now
dey
old.
talk, you don dey call woman.
This girl self now old girl.
Uh-huh.
So how far now? What be the old property when you get?
The thing wey I wear here now na old property wey I now get.
You not get anyone for house, TV, car, Volvo.
I
and all
get
that?
megaphone. I be had the
You get
turntable.
megaphone, turntable.
Megaphone. That round one, the oldest one wey my papa keep for me, still dey up till
It's still
today.
there.
He
Wow,
dey
I
kampe.
like this. I like this.
I say look at the things wey olden days people dey use o. Yeah, come and meet am. You people come and meet am.
That's true. That's true. You're right. You're right. Because even of the olden days place, there's small children that they play and
Of
like
course.
Ite, all those things.
Egwonwa, the one wey
Yeah.
Igbo people call Egwonwa. Kpankoro, all those ones.
Okay.
They don't go.
You don't go.
Na new system they dey now.
Oh, wow, that's good. All right, Oga, thank you very much. My name remains MC Shaggy, the Straight Hands Master, MC Shaggy, Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I tell you, quick it there. Oga, say quick it there.
Make it there.
Say quick it there.
Make it there.
Up on this level. As
Go
you did, so what you go happen, you go hold this microphone, you go tell them, say, now so I don't close the show. Say, we don't close the show, just hold on. Say, we don't close the show now. My name remains, say, we don't close the show.
Okay, we don't close the show according to MC. We don't close the show. And the show go continue. You no go close, say, na today you go close. You don't close for this moment. But they go continue again. They go come back again, we go see say again. Thank you very much.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.